Five, four, three, two, one. All right, so we're gonna do a little demo with the headsets. It's like if we're doing a podcast, pretty much. You can use this for your podcast. We have somebody else on the other end, and we could talk over each other. Go ahead and talk about testing it out. We're gonna
Good.
test out this
Yeah.
microphone.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Welcome. I'm glad you have me on your show. I greatly appreciate you inviting me.
Well, thanks. Now, a great thing about these headsets that they can't hear my audience can't hear him over my mic, which is good. So that's one thing I like about it. So let's go ahead and continue with the rest of the test.
All right. So if you guys are looking for great headphones, comfortable headphones for your gaming, this is a perfect way to do it. So if not only for gaming, for your calls, your conference calls, your music, listening music, anything you want. So, all right, it's flexible and also removable. So if it gets on the way, you can always remove it. Look at one hand, right? And it's a connection, a 3.0, 3.5 connection. All right, you have your USB Type-C to charge it, your volume control minus and plus, your microphone on and off for mute, all right? And then, of course, you have your power on, all right? When you power it on, it's going to display a white light in here. Blue first, indicating that it's trying to sync up a Bluetooth. But when you have the USB connection, automatically will sync up. Now, when you see the USB connection, it's going to light up too also. But these are one of the most comfortable headphones I ever had. Very thick foam, right? And you can't forget which one's left and right, if you guys can see that. And they're all nice and labeled here, ready for your gaming purposes. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hold on. Let me throw this. He's burning. Everybody attack. Let's go. Come on. We got a couple seconds before they showed up, the other guys. Flock is coming. Man, I knew they were going to be blocking us. Hold on. Let's go around this way. You have enough energy?